Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see incognito history in mobile. First of all, you can open the browser and you can just simply turn on the incognito mode, and here you can see the page that is incognito page, and you can just simply see the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply open a new tab page and disable the new incognito tab, and you can just simply tap on search. You can just simply search Chrome. You can just simply tap on the first link that you see. After tapping on the first link, you can see this type of list of Chrome URLs, and here you can see the one option that is Chrome history. You can just simply click on the link that is Chrome history, and after this you can see any type of history, that is incognito history or simple Google history. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.